When using Sharpies in the art studio, you can find Sharpies in the colored Sharpies container, and there are black colored Sharpies and bright colored Sharpies in this box. Take it back with you to your table for your use or anybody else's use at your table. Sharpies need to be used with a messy mat. You've already practiced how to get one of those out, and a messy mat will protect the table from the permanent markings of this Sharpie marker. There are many Sharpie colors inside of your box. Take one out and use it. Remember, Sharpies cannot be used on our hand, on anybody else, on the table, or even on something else. Like, don't purposely draw on the messy mat or a box around the room. Sharpies should only be used on your paper. When using Sharpies, take off the lid just like with a marker and put it on the back. That way, if it's on the table, it doesn't roll away, or if it's in your hand, you don't forget it and drop it. Leave it on the back so that you do not lose it. Sharpies, just like markers, have a pointed tip and a diagonal edge. Use the tip to outline and make straight lines, and use the diagonal edge to fill in, going smoothly and slowly to fill up the space. If you need to, there are some thin Sharpies in your box. Thin Sharpies are great for making little tiny lines when necessary. Do the same thing with the cap on the back and snap it on the front when you are done. Keep one marker out at a time so that nobody is in need and everybody has what they need. Just like with markers, Sharpies, you should outline first and then fill in. It's like mowing the outside of the yard first and then mowing the inside of the yard. Remember to use the side for thick lines and the tip for thin lines. It's permanent marker, so be very careful where you draw and take your time. Now that we've practiced proper usage of Sharpies, open up your sketchbook to an empty page or perhaps the bottom of another page you've already used. Grab a Sharpie license worksheet and complete the questions. Make sure to number the questions as you go and practice the skills as written on the worksheet. When you are done, bring the sketchbook up to me and show me that you've practiced your knowledge, and I will give you your punch.